Hi, I'm Seth with Smittybilt. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this Smittybilt tailgate table. This kit comes with the instructions and the hardware that you'll need to install it. I'll be installing it on this Bronco behind me. To do that, we'll need a 23/64 drill bit and drill, a 5mm hex key, a 10mm wrench, along with a center punch and hammer. Let's get going. Follow the instructions on the provided template to prepare it and align it on your tailgate. For the Bronco, we'll align it just under this lower edge on this plastic trim piece and on this right edge of the impression on the tailgate. Use some tape to secure it in place. Once you have the template secured, grab your center punch and hammer and center punch each of the holes indicated for your vehicle. For the Bronco, there are 5 holes, 2 on the lower edge and 3 along the top. Once you've center punched each of the holes, go ahead and remove the template and prepare for drilling. With the template removed, go ahead and grab your drill and your 23/64 drill bit to drill your holes. We recommend using a bit depth stop. If you don't have one, just keep in mind, use light pressure and maybe a piece of tape on your drill bit to mark how deep you want to go. We don't want to drill too far into our tailgate. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and drill our holes. Use the provided riv nut tool to install each of the riv nuts. To install the riv nuts, secure a riv nut to the end of the tool and insert it into each of the holes that you've drilled in the tailgate. Use your 10mm wrench and 5mm hex key to then crush the riv nut into place in each of the holes. With the riv nuts installed, go ahead and grab a buddy and the necessary hardware and spacers for your vehicle and install the tailgate table. And just like that, you've got a tailgate table for all your overlanding adventures. Check out smittybilt.com for more info.